Lisa with WTI. If you're struggling to find space for your pots and pans, don't worry, I have the perfect solution for you. This 4-light metal pot hanging rack chandelier is so unique. WUZUPS company made it very easy with the detailed instructions, easy installation, and all the hardware for it to be mounted. A plus and a must for me is that it has an adjustable height. This chandelier does not come with the light bulbs. Once it was installed, it looked beautiful. They provided the 8 hooks for the pot, but you can add more. And the total weight it can carry is 30 pounds. This truly gave my little house such a beautiful rustic look. You can either choose to put it in your kitchen island or your dining room. You are gonna love this. This pot hanging rack chandelier is perfect for my kitchen. That's why I chose it. I highly recommend it. I've been loving everything about it, and that is my point of view.